In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to create curved text in Canva in just a few simple steps. Start by opening Canva, then either click on create a design or choose a ready-made template. For this example, I'm going to use ready-made template. Now go and add the text. Once you do that, at the top you're going to find an option that can be used to edit your text. You can select the font color. Likewise, select the font style. You can also increase or decrease the font size. And once you are done with the editing part for the text, what you will need to do is click on this option, Effects. Then here you're going to find this section of Shape. Click on Curve. With that, the selected text will be curved. You can then adjust the curvature using the slider below, moving it towards 0 to make the text straight again or sliding it to negative values to reverse the curve direction. With just these steps, you can easily create curved text for social media posts, logos, or posters in Canva. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.